paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a drawing with scraping technique today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require different colored colors and a sheet of paper. We need to make sure that we put a mat below this so that it is easier for us to be neat and clean. Now, why don't we start coloring with different colors? Yes, you can color however you like. Let's pick up our favorite colors. Alright, you can also take warm colors as well as cool colors. Do you know which are warm colors? Warm colors reflect the color of the sun. And they are red, orange and yellow. Now, why don't we talk about cool colors? Well, cool colors are colors which reflect calmness or coolness. For example, the color of water or the shade of a tree. So, the cool colors are green, violet and blue. Now, it's time for us to color the entire page with black color. So, are you ready? Alright, let's color the entire thing with black now. Do you see it is so comfortable for us to be neat and clean when we have a sheet below it? Yes, this looks great. Now, let's start coloring inside. Well, yes, you need to do an outline first and then color inside. Try and color in one direction. Make sure that you do not have any white spaces in the middle. Once we are done with this, we will start scraping. For this, you require a pencil. All you have to do is scrape the design you like. Here, we are making a nice and beautiful hut. Why don't we start making a beautiful scenery on our own? Let's start making the land now. Yes, with sleeping line. Now it's time for us to make the road. For that, we will use only zigzag lines. And now we are going to make the plants. Do you see the colors coming from the back? Yes, they are the colors which you have already colored. This looks so beautiful, isn't it? Let's start doing our own design now. Well, if you wish to, you can also color inside it. Now it's time for us to make the clouds. After the clouds, why don't we start making the tree? Yes, it's a coconut tree. Let's complete the entire drawing now. If you color, it is going to look even more better. This looks beautiful.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.